Hi, Mandy. Thanks for reaching out. Let me try showing you a little bit of what I do and see if that answers your questions. And we can always get together on Zoom if this doesn't work. Okay, so here I am in Digo in my library, uh, and it looks like you've already done this, but you first go to Tools and download the DeagleLet extension either for Chrome or for other browsers. And that gives you this little thing up here. I'm in Chrome right now. All right, so to show you a couple of ways this works, first I'm going to come in here to TweetDeck, and Emily Ann had an interesting tweet a few minutes ago about 22 alternative search engines. So I click on that, bring up that, and look through it. And first off, it's interesting that if you count Google Images, 90% of searches are Google, but that kind of doesn't surprise me at all. So this is a website that I want to both tag for myself and share to the group. And so I come up here, you'll notice that the little Digo sign there is clear. There's no little red marking, unlike the one you had. And so when I click on it, it gives me a choice of various things, but I'm going to go with Save Bookmark. And the first thing I want to do is put in some tags. So I start typing search, and it comes up with things I've already used in the past. And so I'm going to go with search engine and also just search. And then edu 6323. And I'm going to go ahead and put, even though it's alternatives, I'm going to put Google in as a term just because it's so predominant on that one graph. All right, so that would work for me. And right now it's marked private. I unmark that so it's no longer private. And I come to share to a group. And I look for our particular group. There it is. All right, so now I've set this up. I can also add a description or whatnot. But I've set this up to now save and save to the group. And it's not private. All right, in looking at the screen capture that you sent in your note, one of the things I noticed is that the Digo had a little red mark on it. And that means that you've already saved that as a bookmarked item. And so when you come up here and click on this, instead of save, it's got edit. And that's okay. I'll click on edit. It doesn't say tags here, but that's what that icon is. So if you want to put in some more tags, I might put in history as one more here. And not save it as private, and share it to a group. All those things can be done in edit in addition to the initial save. So if I save that, that goes there. Now just to double check things, I'm going to go to TweetDeck. Excuse me. I'm doing this live. I'm going to go to my Digo library, and this time go to my groups. And our group here, and you can see that the two I just saved are right here for other people now to check them out. And the tags that I put in are showing up here also. So play with it a little bit, check to see whether you need to go back and do an edit or go into your library and use this edit feature to delete the one you've got in there now and then start over again. So there's a couple of ways you can try this, but see if these help, and let me know whether this video helps or not.